Most people don't take any time during the day to spend their time in an intentional way. Ideas, problems, stressors, and information are constantly fed to them through their coworkers, through peers, and through social media. In this perpetual cycle, there is zero opportunity for original thought. This leads to living on autopilot, living the same life day after day, week after week, month after month, and year after year. Time and time again, we get stuck in this same cycle, doing the same things, dealing with the same problems, and never getting out of that rut. But if you're anything like me, I want to be able to think for myself, build a business around the things that I'm genuinely interested in, and have time and location freedom while doing so. Hey friends, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eric, and I am a photographer and filmmaker turned online creator and writer. I'm currently on the journey of building my one-person business and sharing my lessons and takeaways along the way. The first step to achieving this goal can be done through one extremely simple thing, and that is to take a 30 to 60 minute walk outdoors every single day. This walk can be done in silence, and this is a great form of solitude and/or reflection, or it can be done while listening to educational content, and this can be an extremely powerful way of learning. To take it one step further, you can note any ideas, lessons, or takeaways from the things that you're learning during this walk. These walks are the best way to equip you with the resources you need to generate original ideas and create original content that builds an audience. Walking has become the number one lever-moving task that allows me to consume valuable content, generate new ideas, think independently, and develop an abundance mindset. Not to mention, it's the easiest way to get exercise, to get outdoors, to get sunlight, to clear your head in the middle or at the end of a long day of work, or just to get outside and have a bit of silence and solitude. Around 3 years ago, I developed this outdoor walking habit for myself, and since then, I have consumed literally hundreds of hours of podcasts, books, and videos, all of which have allowed me to learn new things, change my mindset, and have enlightened an alternative route to which I could take. When I first began this habit of walking outdoors, I was still working a 9-to-5 job that was slowly burning me out creatively and emotionally. I knew I needed to change something, but I felt like I had nothing going for me. I wanted to pursue entrepreneurship and build my own business. However, I had no idea where to start. Since that time, I can confidently contribute my ability and my courage to quit my job to pursue freelance work at that time to this habit of walking outdoors and the things that I learned during those walks. If you think about it, 30 minutes of walking per day equals 3.5 hours of walking per week, which equals 14 hours of walking per month. This time can quickly add up, eventually equaling enough time to change your mindset, to build a business, to generate great ideas, and eventually change your life as a result. The biggest takeaway here is that it takes less time than you think. Even in 30 minutes per day, you can change your mindset, generate great new ideas, and build an audience that will lead to financial freedom. Walking will quickly become the foundation that you need for your one-person business. And just to prove this theory a little bit further, I developed all of the bullet points and key points for this entire video on a 20-minute walk that I just did a little bit earlier today. When I was working a 9-to-5, I always used the excuse that I didn't have the time or energy to build a business outside of work. However, it can really be done in less time than you think. If I knew then what I know now, I would spend 1 hour every single morning before work writing, and then after work or during my lunch break, I would take a 30 to 60 minute walk just to clear my head, develop some new ideas, and learn something outside of my job. This time will compound over weeks, years, and months, and even within a year, you could completely change your life. And that's while working full-time. Learning new things, distilling them down into key points, and sharing them from your unique perspective is the way of the writer. This is how nearly every online creator got their start, and this is how nearly every online creator seems to come up with endless great ideas. This entire process as a whole provides you with a purpose, a project, and a passion for educating others. And eventually, the profit you need to create a sustainable business that gives you time and location freedom. But in order to start this entire journey, you must first master conscious consumption and idea generation, and that is done through walking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this helps you to begin your creator journey. Make sure to leave a like if you got value from this video. Hit subscribe if you'd like to follow along with my journey. My name is Eric. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.